Welcome back to Ctube. Today let's talk about aging water pipes. Pipe aging doesn't always mean visible leaks. One of the first signs is surface change. Discoloration, chalky residue, or small cracks on the pipe exterior often indicate material degradation over time. Another warning sign is reduced flow efficiency. As pipes age, internal surface may become rough or develop buildup, increasing friction and limiting flow efficiency. This is especially common in older systems. Joint performance also matters. Aging pipes may cause solvent welded or mechanical joints to weaken, leading to slow leaks or pressure loss that isn't immediately obvious. Environmental factors play a role as well. Constant temperature changes, UV exposure, and operating pressures all accelerate aging, especially when pipes are installed outdoors or in unprotected spaces. Regular inspection helps identify this issue earlier. Replacing aging pipes before filling improves system reliability and long-term safety. Ctube provides high-quality, durable water pipes designed for long service life. If you are interested in our products, feel free to contact us.